So today is Sunday 8 September. Let's gonna start analyze about our gold market, and we're gonna start as usual from the weekly chart frame. Why? Because weekly candle has been closed. Okay, remember that if you're doing a forex trading since 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, and still if you're making little money and losing bigger, and even if you watching so many YouTube and blogs, and if you still do not understand that where we need to buy and sell the market and become profitable, that's only one reason, because YouTube content is similar to other, and you do not understand, and there's a key that you need to understand with to be a profitable, the mindset, patience, and the risk management. And it's only can possible once you have mentorship means that someone who already is been this industry for long time. Okay, so I do give mentorship. You can go and follow my Instagram. You can scroll down to watch some feedback from my students, and if you have any question, you can drop me a DM. So let's start it. Okay, so weekly candle, we have weekly candle as it's closed in a bearish candle, up, down, long wick, and the body is the previous weekly candle below. So what could happen next week for the gold market? Okay, so we're gonna create here a simple. Usually we have the higher time frame here, and we go the lower, the market support, we can say, and the resistance. Okay, so we're gonna jump quick in case if this support is break, where the market can fall next. So we're gonna do this levels 1 second, and if market go higher, we don't know, market range could be 200 pip or 300 pip or 400 pip. We don't know. If the market go more, all-time high could be about 3 to 7, maybe 300 pip about here, or more higher. We never know. So we cannot have this range. We only can have range that the market is still below, that we have the support label, because this one is our all-time high. Right now the price is 25, 32 or 31 around, depending on the brokers. Okay, so this is the all-time high. If price go more higher, we never know, it's gonna be 200 pips or 300 or 400 or 600 pips. Okay, so we're gonna analyze market, what we're gonna do the next. So this one is a weekly. We have the resistance here, we have support. If this support break, we have the second support. Price range can be possibly between these levels. Okay, so we're gonna jump back to daily time frame, and we're gonna see here the more support labels, and we have the trend lines. Remember that trend lines, support, resistance, breakup structure, pullbacks. These are the key labels when we're gonna trade for our buy and sell. Okay, as we also can see, we have this I'm gonna just draw this circle. As we can see, this circle called the range area. You see this price come from here to higher, make high price here, price go down, go up, go down, go up, and stay in the range area. Understand? It's simple that. So if we wanted to sell, what we looking for? Simple strategy. We want price to go down to break, retest, and continuation, right? This is what we learn on a YouTube, right? Mostly I'm talking on my YouTube, the same thing. So let's have we have this support area here. Okay, and we do have, this is our resistance area. Let's forget about, we don't have the range. So we have this now, support label and the resistance, both side, up and down. Okay, let's go to 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. Let's stretch a little bit. We can find some more key labels. As I mentioned, if this This is gonna be our VtB second support level. So I'm gonna type down here so make to remember support. Okay, support, and we can call this also resistance, and also we can call this one plus ATH, all-time high. Okay, so this is perfect. We can leave it this here. Okay, so in 4-hour chart frame, what we are looking at, okay, we're looking at inside. We need to understand the market structure now. Okay, I'm gonna jump back to a daily time frame to understand you what we are exactly looking, what next breaking candle patterns what we are looking at. So you need to pay attention this. You can watch this video again and again as we look at this bullish candle. Okay, let me make it a little bigger. Okay, that's the minimum size I can make it. Forget about this, the circle. Okay, we need to understand now if this bullish candle was created on a Thursday, right? This high, this one, and one Friday when the market was consolidating from this price to here around this area, when the news come, it go down on a 1 hour, then it ripped up this high and took the high. If there was people was on a sale in the previous time, they took the stop loss. People are buying, they took the stop loss. They put it, people, if people are buying, they put the market, put those people in a trap, because mostly people will be thinking it's going to be a new high once again, right? So that's a trap. So what market, I will not exactly give you the information because there's many other students, they're learning from me because they're paying for me. So for that reason, I just give you little information to understand as an education how important is this for Forex trading. No luck, no hope in a Forex trading. Okay, so this high Friday price took this with the wick, come down all the way down when the price was jumping here 93.94 from Thursday, remember? And now what we are looking, if we want to buy, because price is going down, mostly people thinking price can go up high. That's definitely price can go up or lower, but where we can gonna buy or sell the market. So we're gonna go back to 4-hour chart frame. Okay, once again here, 4-hour time frame. Now we understand where the market break. First structure break right here. Okay, we go 1-hour time frame to understand much better. You want to build your strategy in higher time frame, and when you want to trade, it's better to have smaller time frame, remember. Okay, this one is 1-hour time frame now. Maybe this much is good to stretch. So now we gotta pay attention when the market first break. When the market Friday, you see this wick comes down, market go up, took this higher wick, took people's stop loss, creating a new high, equal time, equal price action here on this zone, resistant area, price close below this price close. Okay, need to pay attention. I don't know how to show exactly, but let me make it a little bigger. Okay, maybe this one is better. Okay, here when candle close below this wick, You understand? Candle close is only creating a wick, and then the next candle, it didn't have a longer wick, it continue fall. When it's breaking this zone, the first break of structure, price creating, I'm sorry, I'm gonna draw a little bit. Creating a lower. When price break here this zone, price come back 2500 to and plus liquidity, because we have the fair value gap, because when price fall, there's no any candle wick at taking a fair value gap. So this price from 2500, it come up, take the fair value gap plus break of structure this area and continuation. Okay, understand? Simple as that. So on Friday on my live chart, I was also doing what? I sell on the news, I buy after the news, the price fall, creating this area as a support level on a smaller time frame, 2500 to 25.1. Okay, then price go up from here all the way to retest fair value gap, break of structure this, and close below in the same support level. And once then this support level 2500, it's break with this giant bearish candle, what would you think? What's gonna be next? It becomes simple. Why? So now what we have here, we have this the lower price right here. I just explained on a daily time frame. We have the higher time frame candle, this one. So price, what it does, it's ripped off with the wick, and now price is going down all the way down to ripped what? Simple as that. This price. So this price what we are looking for, and inside what we have, this is we call, if this was a support, and support is giant full body candle, the support become resistant. So SBR, support become resistant, understand? The support become resistant. So what price is doing it? Price, I'm sorry, okay, in this 1 hour time frame we still have this sorry, we have this support level here. You can check on a 1 time frame also exactly. Look at this. So I can mark for you guys the support level. Actually we have 1 hour support level. Okay, here, okay. So we have this support level, the buyer, understand? Buyer, okay. So that's why it been respected here, the buyer, 84, 85. The buyer comes, SBR is there. The lower price we have, the higher price has been taken with the wick. Simple as that. Price is ranging now to retest the SBR level. The price when it's break, what it's going to do, going up. Understand? So it's going up. What it call when we talk about this type of channel, you understand? Like that. Give me a name if you understand in a comment. Falling wedge pattern. When price go in the ladders here, usually price go ladders, slowly here, retesting, plus go down, come back, liquidity, and kaboom, it's gonna come very fast. It goes slow down when it go up to retest the price breaking area, this one, which is SBR. Also support become resistant here, understand? And we look for a sale opportunity here. We're gonna look sale, or we can call short position. Okay, so this information for you guys, and thank you for watching this YouTube. If you have any question, you want to learn perfectly, want to be profitable trader, you definitely need to learn. There's no hope. there's no luck in education. So this video is only for education. And second thing, where price can go. So if price taking SBR liquidity, break this support level and reaching this down below, the lower price has to be taken. So do not make a mistake. Mostly people want to get advantage that this is gonna be a demand zone, demand zone, and let's take a risk. So it's gonna be little tricky, because this demand zone will not be valid anymore. So price will definitely ripped up with sharp candle. I think this time really need to be careful. Trust me, or it's gonna be a free advice to you. Do not buy here. Let the price go down, break this structure, and put when it comes back to retest this price, the lower, because it's gonna be after breaking this low, it definitely gonna take this low just like this. The high price has been taken here. This is the lower price gonna be taken, and then wait for the confirmation for a good candle. If you have a candle with a small body and the next candle is closing above this body, understand, like this, then only the third candle could be your action candle for a long position. Understand, the long position can be this area about SBR 2500. Okay, all right, so I hope you guys understand this short small video. I'm sorry if this video is very long, but longer video could be more profitable, more better education. And if you have any question, you can leave me a comment in below, and there will be a link in the description for TikTok. And the best thing, whenever you want to trade, you must have a good broker. I don't know if you have a good broker. That's the best broker I have mentioned in my description, the one which I really use personally, which is VtMarket. And you can make raw, etc, VIP. That's only one pip. There's only one pip. Okay. All right, so I wish you a good luck, happy Sunday, and happy trading for the next week. Thank you.